think?
Well, what do you think?
I say it's time to get to work on it.
Yeah.
For a minute anyway.
Yeah.
We're really just working on it so we can get my car on here.
Yeah.
Right quick.
Man, it's really gonna be nice when we get that big shop and we can have like 2 cars in the shop at the same time.
I mean,
you know, instead of having
like
to put
on the lift the same, like have 2 lifts.
just have 2 cars in. Period.
I like to have 2 lifts because you know there's like some work I like to do like on my wife's car and stuff where you just want to pull in, jack it up, but you end up getting a project like this just sits on there all the time. It's like you don't even have a lift.
It's like you don't even have a lift. So yeah, we gotta get the engine and transmission in this thing so that we can go put it in storage for just a minute. Because
sorry, Dad.
Sorry. We got some work to do on our own cars.
Because we got a big race coming up.
We got a race coming up, and he's not going to that race.
Yeah.
Because his car's not ready.
Things are
his car's
contradicting themselves.
Yeah, his car's not ready. See, ours have engines in them and transmissions, and they run. His has none of those. It don't even have a floorboard in it right now. We're gonna put the seat in the middle.
Center drive.
Yeah, it's a center drive car. We still got to move the steering wheel.
The weight equally.
Yeah, great weight distribution.
Are we gonna be able to work on this without scratching it?
If you scratch it by lifting this hood off, I got it on camera. You need a hand with that?
This is why we can't have nice things.
Yeah. Okay, you get the back, I'll get the front. Where we going?
I can probably get her now.
Okay. All right.
Where are we putting
it? I don't know.
I'll just hold it.
I'm gonna put the camera down and help.
Okay.